Is your makeup dirty? Did you know that makeup can be really dirty and full of chemicals and additives that aren't necessarily good for your body? In today's video, I'm going to show you the clean makeup products I've been using, and I'm going to let you know how I like them. So stay tuned. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Dunmore, and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury on Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. Today's video I'm really excited about because I am all about things that help people live their best lives. So something I haven't really talked a lot about, and I'm not going to get too deep into it yet on camera, but I have struggled with fertility. And one of the things, as I've been doing my research and learning about fertility struggles, one of the things I've learned is that there's a lot of chemicals and additives in products that you use every day that can really affect your hormones and disrupt your fertility. So for me, I've been on this journey to eliminate a lot of the chemicals in my everyday life. So for example, I won't use plastics anymore for heating things, and I really try to avoid plastic as much as I possibly can. I like to make sure that any products I'm putting on my skin are free from parabens and all sorts of other additives. There is an app, and it's called Think Dirty, and I'll link that down below, but the app actually rates different products and gives you scores and lets you know how clean or dirty your products are. And I've spent a lot of time researching products and trying out new things, and I'm really excited to share the products that I found with you. So let's get to it. The first product that I start with once I'm done with my skincare is this Set the Stage Primer by Lawless. Y'all, I love this product, and I had started off with just a small sample size of clean makeup products just to get my feet wet in clean makeup. And something that I noticed is those products weren't lasting. And so I went back to my local Sephora and I asked for a great primer, and the makeup artist at Sephora did not disappoint, because this primer has completely changed how my clean makeup lasts. And that's something that's really important to me as a makeup girl. I wanted to still be able to put makeup on and feel good, but I wanted my products to last. So this Lawless Primer is excellent. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but I love it, and it stays so well. Something I've learned through this, I have to put on my moisturizer at least 10 minutes before I put on primer, just to improve how long my makeup lasts. So this Lawless Primer, y'all, is awesome, and I highly recommend it whether or not you're trying to be clean with your makeup or not. The next product that I apply to my face is this Ilia True Serum Skin Foundation in the color SF9 Maraca, and I like to apply this with my fingers. It's really, really messy, but I just like how it blends on my skin with my fingers, and it doesn't use up too much product. And so once I get my foundation on, I've got to wash my hands because they're completely covered in foundation and it gets on all my makeup, but I just really prefer this look. What I like about this Ilia foundation is that it feels really breathable and very moisturizing. I have very dry skin, and so it's really important to me that foundations don't dry out my skin, and this one doesn't, and it also has a slightly dewy finish to it, which I'm sure you can see on camera. The next product that I apply to my face is this Tarte Hydra Concealer, and something I need to mention is Sephora is absolutely awesome for clean beauty products. They actually have an entire section of the store that's called Clean at Sephora, where they have all the clean brands. And I really, really like Tarte. I am a huge fan of Shape Tape. However, Shape Tape concealer is not clean. And so I was looking for something that gave me similar coverage to Shape Tape, but I wanted it to be clean. And this is one of my favorite of my clean beauty products. So I like to take this and I like to go under my eyes because I feel like I look perpetually tired. I like to put some on my nose. I like to put a little bit up here on my face. And I'm not a makeup guru, so if you don't like my technique, I'm sorry. This is just what I do. I put a little bit up here and a little bit down here. And then that's it. Just kidding. The next product I use, and yes, I leave this on for a minute to let it just kind of settle in before I blend it. I use this Merit foundation stick, and it's in the color Sienna, and this is what I use for my dark contour. Now, I don't do a ton of contour, but I do a little bit of contour just to give my face some definition. I love that this is a stick. It's very, very easy to use. And I just put some just at the top of my cheekbone and bring it down. And then I also put some on my nose as well. Just a little bit. And then I also like to go in over my forehead. So once I have my cream makeup products on, I just go over my whole face with this Ilia translucent powder. And that's just to make sure that everything is staying properly. That's all. The next step in my clean makeup routine is this Ilia multi-purpose lip and cheek stick. I really just use it on my cheeks, and it's in the shade Dreamer. It's a coral color, and I usually just put a little bit up on my cheekbone because I want to lift my face. I don't want to bring it down. And once I get it on, I just blend it out with my fingers. This was one of those products that before I got the Lawless Primer, I wasn't so sure about because it didn't have great staying power. But once I started using the Lawless Primer, I started loving this product. I think it gives you a nice natural glow, and I really like the ability to blend it out. The next product in my routine is mascara, and it's the Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara, and this is the travel size. Y'all, I love this mascara. What I usually do is put on one coat of mascara, and I love how this mascara just has great lengthening abilities. And I will let this one coat dry, and then I'll go in and do my eyeliner, and then I'll do a second coat of mascara. The next product in my clean makeup routine is this eyeliner pencil. It's from Well People, and you can get this at Target. And it's just a simple black eyeliner pencil, or I actually think I selected dark brown, but I just like to go under my waterline just to open up my eyes a little bit. The last product in my clean makeup routine is a Bite Beauty lipstick. This one that I picked up is in the color Tamarind, and it's like a nice brownish nude color. It's almost like a caramel color, but I love it because it's a great nude for me. I have these in other colors, but this one is my favorite. And I love this formula. It has great staying power, and it feels really good on the lips too. Now that I've shown you my clean makeup routine, and it's really quick and really easy, I'm going to show you some of the other products that round out my clean beauty. So I really like nail polish from Zoya, and Zoya is a relatively clean nail polish brand. I used to be someone that loved my dip powder, loved getting my nails done, but unfortunately for health reasons, I'm really sticking to the cleaner nail polishes. And I love the Zoya products because they're clean and I have an option. They even have a nail polish remover, and it's kind of pricey, but I love the mechanism to get the nail polish remover out. You don't use too much, and you take a cotton ball and you press on it and it soaks your cotton ball, which I absolutely love. And finally, for my clean beauty routine, I have these Burt's Bees Micellar facial towelettes, and this is what I use to remove my makeup. And there is 0 on the Think Dirty app, so I can use them and be happy to know that they're super clean. And they also smell really nice too, and they work pretty well as well. The last clean beauty tip I have for you is try out the Sephora Clean Fragrance Sampler Set. They're gonna give you 6 different sample sizes of clean fragrances, and these are fragrances without parabens, without phthalates, clean beauty products, and they smell great. My favorite in the set are 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods or Ellis Brooklyn, and it's called Salt. Those 2 scents are completely different, but both smell amazing. So I hope you try it out. That's it for my clean beauty products. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next video, bye!